Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your garage door opener. Begin by unplugging the opener and locating the Learn button on the motor head. Press and hold the Learn button to clear remotes, then reprogram each remote by pressing the Learn button briefly and activating the remote. Test the door travel and auto-reverse safety features, and reconnect any sensors if needed for full safe operation. To clear codes, start by unplugging power for safety and locate the Learn button on the motor housing. Press and hold the Learn button until the indicator light goes out to erase stored remotes. Reapply power and press the Learn button briefly, then press the remote button you want to program. Repeat this process for each remote and test that only programmed devices operate the door. For keypad resets, enter the programming mode on the keypad, enter a new PIN, then press the Opener Learn button to link them. If the door stops short or opens too far, adjust the travel limit screws on the motor while testing small increments. Always check the auto-reverse by placing a 2x4 in the door path. The door should reverse on contact. Confirm sensors are aligned and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.